I will show you how to build the Lego police car. Okay, so we need first build the Lego minifigures. Just that, the minifigures fruit, then the note, the police. You can also have the police sign here. Then the girl's head. Then you can put it above it. Then now you can put the hair with the policeman cap. So if you gonna attach it properly, now you have the Lego minifigure police woman. Okay, so now let's build the car. We can now build the 4x3 with the 2x2 wheel hole. You can use another wheel if you don't have the wheel like this. Then use this, the 2x2 plate, the 1x3 plate with the blue, and you can put it on opposite sides. Now you need your regular 2x2 plate. Now you're gonna put this down right now. Okay, so now let's build it with the wings like this. You can use another wings like that. So now you need the 1x2 with the wrist holder with this. You can use, this is the wrist holder. You can put this here, and then the 2x2 with the curved slope. You can use this, and now you can put it on back. Okay, we're gonna put this down, and you have the 1x3 brick, just like without the like here, this only tile, but you have a door here like that. You can use another white door if you don't have it like this. Now you can put it here and to the opposite side. And now we can now build the front of it. Okay, so now let's build the front of it. You can use the wing with the 2x4 wing like that, and only 2x2 plate with the hole here like that, and then it will become table like that. And then you're gonna pick the 1x2 black plate, and then the 1x2 with the 2x4 bracket, just like that. Now you can use the 1x2 plate like that. Oh, it falls. You're gonna hold it properly.
Then we're gonna take this 1x2 plate, that is the light yellow, and then you need the 1x2 with the 1x2 with the blue and blue curved slope. Just put it here. Then we're gonna put this here, and today we're gonna build the wheel. You have to put the 1x2 plate here. Then we're gonna put the 1x1
Now all you need to do now is to test it out. Now you can spin this like that.